And welcome to MonteysStyle. Today we're doing taste and we're doing what? We're doing crab cakes, how to make them really fast in what, 20 minutes or maybe 30. So let's get to cooking, and here are the ingredients right here.
So follow me with the ingredients along. We're gonna add in a half a cup of water to our cornbread stuffing with our clumpy crab meat. We're gonna mix in now our onions and peppers, our 3 eggs, Parmesan cheese and garlic, and we're going to mix with our hands and make patties. After we make patties, we're going to leave them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and then pull them out and place them onto the stove into a hot heated pan. Then after, we're going to put them in the oven and let them cook for 10 minutes and then pull them out. And we're going to place them on a surface pan plate, and then we're just going to serve. See? After they're cooked in the oven. That looks good. Let's get to eating.